आज कौन सा दिन है? What day is today? What day is today? 6 घंटे के बाद वे चले गए। They left after 6 hours. They left after 6 hours. कल मैं एक बस में यात्रा कर रहा था। Yesterday I was traveling in a bus. Yesterday I was traveling in a bus. अभी तक कोई नहीं आया है। Nobody has come yet. Nobody has come yet. उसके जाने के बाद हमने खाना खाया। We had the food after he left. We had the food after he left. रॉबिन ने धन उधार लिया। Robin borrowed the money. Robin borrowed the money. तुम सुबह से यहाँ क्यों बैठे हो? Why have you been sitting here since morning? Why have you been sitting here since morning? अगर तुम्हें मेरी मदद की ज़रूरत हो तो कृपया मुझे बताओ। If you need my help, please let me know. If you need my help, please let me know. उसने कहा कि वह अपना काम कर रहा था। He said that he had been doing his work. He said that he had been doing his work. उसका बेटा सेना में भर्ती हो गया है। His son has been selected in army. His son has been selected in army. क्या तुम्हारे पीछे कोई नहीं है? Is there no one behind you? Is there no one behind you? क्या तुम्हारे बगल में कोई है? Is there someone next to you or is there someone beside you? दिल्ली भारत के उत्तर में है। Delhi is in north of India. Delhi is in north of India. बच्चों के ठीक सामने अध्यापक खड़े हैं। The teacher is standing just in front of the students. The teacher is standing just in front of the students. मेरा घर तुम्हारे घर से ठीक आगे वाला है। My house is just ahead of yours. My house is just ahead of yours. जब मैं वहाँ पहुँचा बारिश हो रही थी। When I reached there, it was raining. When I reached there, it was raining. वो मेरी ज़िंदगी का बहुत अहम दिन था। It was a very important day of my life. It was a very important day of my life. उसे घर पहुंचने में कितना समय लगा? How much time did he take to reach home? How much time did he take to reach home? तुम्हें इतना समय क्यों लग रहा है? Why are you taking this much time? Why are you taking this much time? मुझे घर पहुंचने में 5 घंटे लगते हैं। It takes me 5 hours to reach home. It takes me 5 hours to reach home. तुम्हें ढूंढने में मुझे 5 मिनट लगे। It took me 5 minutes to find you और It took me 5 minutes to search you. राम से मिले हुए मुझे 7 साल हो गए। It has been 7 years since I met Ram. It has been 7 years since I met Ram. ये काम करने में काफ़ी समय लगेगा। It will take plenty of time to do this work. It will take plenty of time to do this work. ऑफिस पहुंचने में कितना समय लगा? How much time did it take to reach office? How much time did it take to reach office? किताब ख़त्म करने में मुझे 2 महीने लगे। It took me 2 months to finish the book. It took me 2 months to finish the book. हम तुम्हें 1 सेकंड भी सोचने नहीं देंगे। We will not let you think even for a second. We will not let you think even for a second. उसकी मम्मी ने उसे घर से निकलने नहीं दिया। His mother didn't let him go out of home. His mother didn't let him go out of home. वो मेरा दोस्त है इसलिए मैं उसे गलत नहीं करने देता। ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड हेंस आई डोंट लेट हिम डू रॉन्ग। ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड हेंस आई डोंट लेट हिम डू रॉन्ग। उसने मुझे कभी रोने नहीं दिया। ही नेवर लेट मी क्राई। ही नेवर लेट मी क्राई। हमें बुरी आदतें छोड़ देनी चाहिए। वी शुड गिव अप बैड हैबिट्स। वी शुड गिव अप बैड हैबिट्स। लगता है तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है आज। लुक एज यू आर नॉट वेल टुडे। लुक्स एज यू आर नॉट वेल टुडे। पापा ने हमेशा की तरह उसे डांटा और वो घर से चला गया। एज यूजुअल डैड स्कॉल्डेड हिम एंड ही लेफ्ट होम। As usual, Dad scolded him and he left home. क्या तुम मुझे चैन से जीने दे सकते हो? Can you let me live peacefully? Can you let me live peacefully? वो पक्का मुझे जाने देगा. He must let me go. और He'll definitely let me go. तुम मुझे बर्गर क्यों नहीं खाने देते? Why don't you let me eat burger? Why don't you let me eat burger? हमें कंप्यूटर सीखने में 3 महीने लगे. We took 3 months to learn computer. We took 3 months to learn computer. परसों छुट्टी थी. It was holiday day before yesterday. It was holiday day before yesterday. परसों छुट्टी है. It will holiday day after tomorrow. It will holiday day after tomorrow. तुम खाली समय में क्या करते हो? What do you do in your leisure time? What do you do in your leisure time? कल रात मुझे बहुत गहरी नींद आई. I had a sound sleep last night. I had a sound sleep last night. वो सिगरेट पीने का आदी हो गया है. He has been addicted to smoking. He has been addicted to smoking. मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will leave no stone unturned. I will leave no stone unturned. इससे मेरा काम चल जाएगा. It will serve my purpose. It will serve my purpose. तुम उसके कान में क्या फुसफुसा रहे हो? What are you whispering in his ear? What are you whispering in his ear? Thank you.